I'm Sandy Bear. I am the lead instructor for the ASH program. ASH is for the Alaska STEAM Hub. This summer we are offering a camp for both middle and high school. It is a morning session. It is bringing design to life. It is broken down into two parts. So the first part, they are going to learn how to do 2D design and 3D design. And the second part is where they will be applying it to different parts and also having a cultural aspect infused in it. Having the basics down for 3D designing, learning and understanding the Glowforge cutting and etching, and then a very light touch on using a CNC machine. Not only just showing up, but putting in effort on doing the work, because they'll be designing on paper, on computer, and so they need to be able, and each thing is built on each other. So they need to be able to come daily to be able to understand the next step. Safety will be covered in class before they get hands-on experience.